Are you looking for professional dryer vent cleaning and repair services in Boca Raton? Look no further than Dryer Vent Wizard. Did you know clogged dryer vents are a leading cause of house fires? Regular cleaning ensures your dryer works efficiently and your home stays safe. Dryer Vent Wizard of Boca Raton specializes in comprehensive cleaning, repairs, and new installations to keep your dryer vent system in top condition. Contact our experts today at 561-287-8602. Our friendly team is ready to assist you with fast, reliable service. We're your trusted local experts dedicated to safety, efficiency, and customer satisfaction. With years of experience, we make sure your dryer runs like new. Visit us online at https://www.dryerventwizard.com/location/Boca-Raton to learn more or schedule your service in just a few clicks. Dryer Vent Wizard of Boca Raton. Your safety is our priority. Call 561-287-8602 today.